Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. And today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, I bring you a box, but not just any box. There is a very special collaboration box in here, and I am happy that it finally came and I get to share it with all of you. You've probably seen a lot of information on this, but I thought I would share it with you and get my first impressions of it. And so this is going to be a very quick video. So, ta-da! Does anybody know what it might be? Oh, based on the title, you're going to know what's in here. So, let's pull it out. Oh my gosh. It's a little wonky, but what is it? Busted the house. So let's see. Let's see. Mine's open. Why is my house open? Oh, it don't fit. That's why. Okay, so this is the casa. This is the casa that Rich Lux built. So let's see. So this is cute. This is Rich Lux collaborated with Gerard Cosmetics for Busted the House Ice Cream Shack. And it's a Slay All Day setting spray set. You know what would have been nice, because it's like Ice Cream Shack, if they would have had like ice cream cones or something on here, that would have been neat. Oh, I got myself a picture. Not autograph. I wasn't one of the lucky ones to get an autograph. Coming August 9th. And let's see what it says. It says, "Hi guys, clock at the house. Just wanted to share with you why this collab is so important to me. Gerard Cosmetics was one of the first brands to believe in me and offer me an opportunity. The CEO, Jen, and I bonded over our similar characteristics. We are both business-minded and success-driven, but care about people above all else. When I saw we shared things, I knew we would be close friends. I love Slay All Day setting spray because sometimes the drama is so hot, it might crack my contour without it." Oh, shit. "We wanted to bring you the joy of dessert without the calories, so we created these two new scents, Mint Chocolate Chip and Dreamsicle. I hope you love them. I hope you love them and the house. Limited edition collector's box as well. I can't thank you, my loyal supporters, enough for making YouTube such a fun, creative outlet for me. Love you so much." So we have the both setting sprays. So this retails for $59 and you get both sprays. So I can't tell you. Oh, on the bottom. So those are the sprays. These are full-size bottles, and then one is Mint Chocolate Chip and the other one is Dreamsicle. And they come with the little thing. What do I call? You know, the that thing. Oh wait, maybe it didn't come in. Oh, see, mine didn't come in right, because it should have been like this. So mine came wonky. I guess the tea is real. My shit came all wonky. They just threw my shit in there like, "Here, toma." And then it says, "I love you so much." Right there, Rich. Now I've been spelling it all wrong. Okay, so then directions. "Your old setting spray was a good woman, but she was a liar. You'll be feeling the ice cream fantasy with this all new set, honey. Spray before after applying makeup, and you will not be bothered whenever drama erupts in the community. They are sure to be shook by the makeup look. Don't be a Poindexter and spray in your eyes, or you might get a wonky lash. Clock at the house." And that's what it says right there. There we go. So this is a beautiful little house. I like this a lot. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna try, this is Mint Chocolate Chip. I don't even use setting sprays, but I'm gonna use this one porque la compré. So it's nice that it comes sealed like this, so like that there's nothing dripping anywhere. And then another thing, I wish they just put a sticker. I mean, maybe for cost reasons they didn't print it right on there because they're just using their bottles and putting the stickers. But it would, oh shit, it would have been nice to see his name printed on there, not just, you know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. Okay. Huele bonito. A ver. Okay. Oh, yep. Oh my god, it smells so good. You remember scratch and sniff, like the chocolate scratch and sniff? Oh my god, it smells so good. So this is the Slay All Day mint chocolate chip. Now I'm gonna try, let me show you, let me keep it out. So that's the green one, mint chocolate chip. Oh, it smells good. Oh, and then this is the dreamsicle. You see how there's just a sticker on that? I don't know if you can see that. It would have been nice if the sticker wasn't there, but like I said, they probably just used the same bottles as her other setting sprays because it is a cost, you know? It does cost money. And these are $59, and it was 3 bottles, 2 full size and 1 I won't do the small one because the small one is mint chocolate chip, and this, it smells so good. Okay, so let's try. Okay, we're gonna try the dreamsicle now. Ooh, what does it remind me of? It does smell like citrusy. I can't think of what it reminds me of, but it smells good. It's very, it smells good. I could give you that. So those are the 2 bottles, and like I said, this retails for $59, so you get the 2 full-size setting sprays. Oh, it reminds me of something. I just can't put my finger on it. So that's the orange one, and then that's the green one, and then let me show you the small one. So yeah, that's the green and that's the orange. It smells good. I give you that. It smells really, really good. But like I said, I always forget to set my face. Always forget to set my face. And then here's the small one, which is 1 ounce. Oh my god, this is a baby. Look at this little baby. Oh, it's just like the I got the watermelon one, but this is so baby compared to the full size. Okay, so the full size is how many ounces? 3.38 ounces. And look at the baby. So this was $59. I mean, $59 for setting spray. It's kind of steep. But I wanna support him, you know, support the brand. I love the brand. I love Jen Gerard. I love Rich Lux. I think they're fantastic people, and this is a great opportunity for him. So this is wonderful. But you know, I have to admit, no cierra mi casa. There we go. My house is wonky, y'all. It's very, very wonky. I guess it's the way they packaged it. When I got it, it kind of like messed it up, and then, but there it is. Busted the house, ice cream shack. But like I said, there should have been like more ice cream cones or something on here. But it's beautiful. I like it. I really, really like it. It's made in the USA. It's cruelty free. It smells great. You don't keep smelling it. It's good. I like it. I enjoy it. And $59, but there are codes out there that you can use to save you 30%, which I did, and I think it came down to be about $40. It's like $20 a spray or whatever. But there you go. There you have it. I'm actually excited. So this, I'm so happy for him. Felicidades, Rich Lux. You deserve it. And felicidades, Jen Gerard, for making the decision to collaborate with him, because this is really, really nice. I love this a lot. So that's about it. So I thought I'd show you the little house and, you know, talk about it a little bit. And I enjoyed it, and I hope you will too. So until next time, hasta laterz.